After you set up the settings for your Padlet, you need to start organizing the shelves. So starting by adding a post, you need to write a title for the post. I encourage my kids to add their names over here if they are anonymously accessing it. And then I write the post right here if they want to add something to it. Now, if I want to add resources, let's say we are talking about 3D printing. So I start by searching over here and click on videos. So now if your students want to access the Padlet and start collaborating on it, they can just click on the plus sign and then they can add their own posts right here in order to add notes about the video. Let's say that I want to edit it. I click on this icon and I can edit. Over here, instead of searching for this, I'm going to use other tools. So you can add a link. Let's say that this is one of the pages that I want my students to access. So first, I click right here and copy the link, and then I paste it over here. Let's say that you want them to take a photo or a video, they can use this icon. There are also other tools right here if I want them to do something. There's the draw, place, and other things that you want.